Women's health really affects every aspect of a woman's life. Knowing what choices we have is really vital to our well-being. So, how do women need to go about making choices for themselves regarding family planning?
In general, it's kind of just a nice idea to plan ahead. Figure out what you want, what you think you might want your life to look like. Maybe create that 5 year plan. Does that include having children? Does it not include having children? Is it a maybe? Because sometimes that's the option. And it's just really taking some time to understand yourself, what you want, what you don't want, and then taking that information and having a conversation with your healthcare provider to talk about all of these different birth control options. There are so many different ones, and some of them are more long term, and some of them are going to be very short term. And so knowing what you want and having that idea can be really helpful in making that decision.
Contraception, I think, is something that's on women's hearts and minds, especially nowadays. Can you just sort of kind of break it down a little bit for us?
It depends on your lifestyle. Okay. So you have long acting, like we call them LARCs, long acting reversible contraceptions. And that includes IUDs, and there's copper IUDs, which are good for 10 years. And then you have hormonal IUDs, which are lasting 5 to 7 years now. Then we also have implants, which are rods that you put in your arm, and they're about good for 3 years. Then, of course, we have our pills, our patches, our injections, our rings. It depends, again, on your lifestyle. If you're the type of person that you'll always remember to take a pill, I think you'll be okay. You also have condoms plus spermicide. That gives you a lot of protection. There are so many different options depending upon your lifestyle and your communication with your OBGYN. What is the best thing for you?